This 4K projector just replaced my TV. So XGIMI was kind enough to send me their brand new Elfin Flip 4K projector before launch. And there's so much I want to tell you guys about this piece of tech. Before we get started, huge thank you to XGIMI for sponsoring today's video. Just in time for the World Cup, you can now host watch parties anywhere you go. The Elfin Flip 4K only weighs about 1.55 kilograms, and because of its form factor and design, it's very easy to carry around. And as long as you have a blank wall at your disposal, you can project an image size from 40 inches all the way up to 200 inches. Now, you might assume that you have to sacrifice image quality by stretching it to that size, but due to its optical zoom ratio from 0.98 to 1.3 to 1, it keeps a consistent image quality. It's a 4K laser projector and probably one of the best on the market in this form factor. So it's an RGB triple laser, can get up to 1600 ISO lumens of brightness, which makes it one of the brightest in its range. It's got a 20,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio. It also supports MEMC motion smoothing, so if you're watching content that consists of quick movement, it helps clarify the image. On top of all this, I love being able to carry this projector around the house, and thanks to the auto keystone feature, it immediately detects the surface and angle of the wall and resizes it to an optimal size, keeping the high image quality. You also have the option to manually keystone with the 4-point correction feature. Now, before we get to my favorite part of this projector, let me quickly go over the I/O. On the bottom, it offers a 1/4 inch mounting point, so if you want to attach it to a tripod, desk, or ceiling, it's perfect for you. On the back, we have the power button, power input, 2 USB-A, 2 HDMI 2.1, and 1 3.5mm audio jack. Underneath is where they have decided to put the air cooling vent, and on the front, we've got a built-in Harman and Kardon speaker. It's 7 watts, it's got Dolby Digital Plus and Dolby Audio, which is quite impressive for its size and form factor. So as a gamer myself, I can definitely see how much of a great fit this is to be partnering with EAFC on this projector. My favorite feature is the 1 millisecond response time at 1080p 120Hz refresh rate. Unfortunately, it's not at 4K, which still makes it perfect for me who likes a game on my Nintendo Switch 2 in my studio. It has a variable refresh rate and low auto latency mode, which automatically turns on when you have a gaming console connected, whether it's a PS5, an Xbox, or even the Nintendo Switch 2. With my Nintendo Switch 2, it's such a portable combo that you can bring from one location to another. And just to show you guys how incredibly portable this projector is, we're gonna bring the Elfin Flip 4K. We're just gonna go ahead and flip it down and bring my Nintendo Switch 2 with me, just like so. And we're gonna bring this downstairs. Obviously, we also have to bring the cables, but I'm holding the camera right now. All right, this took me like 30 seconds to come downstairs. We're gonna place down the projector right here at the back wall, as well as the Nintendo Switch 2. We're gonna place it right here, and give me a second. I'm gonna set it all up. It'll take just a second. Boom, there we have it. We've got the projector all set up. The Nintendo Switch 2 is right here. All right, guys, now that we've got this portable setup going, let's start playing some Mario Kart at this setup. Here we go. Yes, sir. Got the bomb on him. We're first place. Let's go. The remote that it comes with is very simple and easy to use. The projector runs off of Google TV OS, so you can use any streaming app that you're already connected to, like Netflix, YouTube, Crunchyroll, and more. It has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you can have stable streaming connection and wireless audio without lag. That way you can jump right into the experience without much friction. Now, most importantly, when it comes down to pricing, for something like this, you're gonna be paying around $1,500 to $1,700, which is quite steep, but this is right under the $1,000 mark. It's coming in at $999, but it currently has a 10% discount right now, making it $899, so check the links down below before it's back to its normal price. Overall, the Elfin Flip 4K has a premium build and is worth every penny in this price point. And I hope you guys all have a great time gaming and enjoying content on this projector as much as I have. I mean, you guys see this right here. And also, if you guys want to see a day in the life of me integrating this projector in my daily life, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely make a video on that. But anyways, thank you again to XGIMI for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.